The news finally broke is that it's going to list a secondary IPO in Hong Kong. I'm surprised that they committed to Hong Kong.
Yes, I mean, this is something that they've wanted for a while. Let's see if it happens. Anything can happen until the listing actually happens. We saw that with WeWork. We saw some trouble with its own IPO before earlier in this year, but it's not a bad time. They expect something by the end of this month, so it's coming really fast. It's a big listing. They may raise more than $11 billion, almost $15 billion, according to our reporting, and so no small feat.
How open is the capital market right now?
Based
on your sources who are you're in ECM world.
You know, it's funny. Hong Kong is something that there is. Yes, there's turmoil, but the banks that have committed to it, they stick with it because they know that it's a long-term bet. So who's on this deal? JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, a bunch of Chinese banks as well. And so they want to make this work, and people do want diversification. People are willing to take on risk in this part of the cycle. They're just not willing to take on risks that are big and scary like WeWork. But with everything else, I mean, there is some demand still for some risk at the right price. Remember, you look at Aramco, and people are not loving that $1.7 trillion valuation. So if you can give it to people at a price they could buy at and stomach and see some growth, you can do okay.